Welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix your game requires a system to restart to play a Valorant in your PC or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the Valorant game to play on your PC or laptop, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the task manager. You need to right click on start menu. You can see a task manager. Click on the task manager. Guys, under process tab, if you will find Riot client, just you need to right click and close that one. Suppose if this is your Riot client, right click on end task and go to the startup. In this, if you find Vanguard tray notification, you need to enable that one. Suppose this is your Vanguard tray notification, right click and click on enable. After that, just close this window and you need to open the services. Click on the services. Guys, in this you need to find VGC. If you find any VGC, you need to just right click on that, click on properties. Here you can see startup type. You need to set as automatic. Just click on apply, then click on start. After clicking start, click on apply, then click on OK. After that, just close this window, and once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your game requires a system to restart to play a Valorant. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.